Guys, I am doing some seasoned rice today, and the first thing that I am doing is boiling my saltfish. So that's the first step, boiling my saltfish. These are my herb seasoning that I'm going to use in my seasoned rice. My herb seasoning, wash and dice up. So we have some thyme over here, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper. I use a piece of yellow and a piece of the green Scotch bonnet pepper, just to put a little color, give my seasoned rice a little color. I have some sweet pepper, red bell pepper, that's for color and taste. Tomato, 2 medium-sized tomato, string bean, scallion, a little salt, not too much salt, use a discretion guys, a piece of butter and 2 cloves of large garlic, wash and cut up. Ackee was picked and cleaned up and washed ahead of time, boil. I'm using some saltfish that was also boiled, drained and picked up, and sardine. So I'm using 1 sardine in soya oil. So I'm gonna combine all of these ingredients in my pot right now. So stay with me guys. Bring your water to a boil in no particular order. Putting in my saltfish, sardine in soya oil, ackee, then I'm gonna stir. Onion, tomato, scallion, butter and garlic, some pepper, then I'm gonna stir. Look at that, that is colorful already, very colorful. Thyme, sweet pepper. Remember to use your discretion on the salt. We are using saltfish, having salt in it. sardine having a little salt also. I'm using a lot of earth seasoning here. I like when my seasoned rice is colorful. If you want to use a mixed vegetable, you can go ahead and use it, but I rather a lot of earth seasoning. And string bean. Cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to check on it and add our rice. Also guys, you can add the amount of rice depending on your serving size. Checking on my seasoned rice, guys. Voila! Seasoned rice is ready to serve. I love the colors. So guys, this is our finished meal. Jamaican seasoned rice. I love the color. What says you? Lovely color. For our drink today, we are having sorrel with our seasoned rice. So, catch you another day and another time when your girl Carice will be in the kitchen cooking up some mouth-watering Jamaican meal. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, click the notification bell, subscribe.